your toy doesn't look handmade, it looks assembled. Let's fix that. If you don't know who I am, my name is Z and I'm a crochet toy maker. Here are 4 construction choices that will instantly make your toys look more professional. Toys with a lot of pieces that need to be sewn together can turn into an absolute nightmare. Rather choose something with a continuous body construction. There's less sewing involved than in weaving in ends, and it gives your doll a nice clean finish. An example of this is crocheting the legs, the body, and the head all in one go. If you are really clever, you can crochet the arms in as well. Number 3 is choose where you do your increases and your decreases. Each of those has a different look to it. Increases tend to be bigger, where decreases tend to be smaller stitches. I know it sounds stupid, but it does make a difference to the look of a piece. And the last one, which is basically all of these put together, is minimize where you need to sew your joins. Any place that you sew 2 pieces together is a weak spot, especially if you are planning for your toys to be used and played with. You want your toys not to fall apart. That's happened to me already, which is why I've trained myself how to crochet pieces all in one go. The longer I crochet, the more I realize the less you fiddle with your crochet toys, the better. Less is more. Comment clean if you want a part 2, and I will see you in the next video.